So, bali nung nag-i-start kasi ako, medyo, alam mo yun, marami akong gustong gawin and marami akong gustong mangyari when I started the business. Pero sobrang dami ko ring tanong kasi marami talaga akong gustong malaman. If bago ako mag-start, kung i-start ko ba to, ano ba yung mga dapat kong alam? And totoo lang, medyo napapagod ka na rin, kakatanong, kaka-research, and kakahanap ng sagot sa mga gusto mong malaman. Parang yan yung sinasabi nga nila, yung over-analysis, napaparalyze ka na lang, kaka-analyze or kaka-research mo. Gusto mo kasi bago mag-start, sobrang perpekto na ng ah, plano mo, perpekto na yung negosyo mo dito pa lang sa utak mo. Syempre hindi yung masama. But at the same time, sa negosyo kasi talagang meron kang kailangang gawing action kagad. No? Mahirap na lang talaga if ma-stuck tayo sa part na nag-iisip lang pala tayo. We still in this idea stage. Nandito pa rin tayo sa research stage. And sa totoo lang, doon ako nahihirapan. Kasi medyo may pagka, ano rin ako eh. Gusto ko, alam ko na lahat, pulido na yan. Alam ko talaga pagka once nag-start yung business ko, perfect na lahat. And ito yung bagay na natutunan ko later on. Sa lahat ng mga nakusap ko rin, mga nakilala kong ibang business owner, hindi lang ah, sa mga laundry shop owner, but in other businesses, you learn along the way. And every day, you learn something new as well. Kasi, totoo naman, no, may mga bagay talagang nagbabago, kunyari sa government agencies natin, sa patakaran sa mall, or sa economy natin, di ba? Bigla-bigla tumataas yung mga presyo ng bilihin. So, matututo na rin tayo paano natin adjust yung negosyo natin, yung pricing natin, yung serbisyo natin to deliver and service the needs ng mga suki natin. And just to go back sa point na yon, paano if you are at that point right now? Siguro you're still doing your research. You're still thinking about it and you haven't really started your business. And that's okay. That's perfectly okay. I know that's a good sign of a good business person na you're taking your time to study the business, trying to really make sure kasi you're investing a lot of money, you're investing a lot of time, you're investing a lot of effort. So gusto mo rin mabawasan yung syempre, yung part na pwede kang malugi. But remember, time is also really important kasi lalong-lalo na sa panahon na to, parang a lot of people have seen the potential na, oy, okay pala talaga yung laundry business. A lot of this kind of business survived throughout the pandemic. It was one of the business na considered as essential. So, at some point, the government allowed it to be continuously operating kahit may mga lockdowns, partial lockdowns throughout the country. So, ito lang yung point ko, guys. So, don't take too much time, but take the time to really study this business, take advantage. Maraming nagpapa-online seminar coming from different brands ng machines out there. They do the whole thing from A to Z. Kung ano yung kailangan mong malaman about the business. From the operation, the machine, business planning, and actual operation of the business, handling your people and all that, so and so forth. Pero ito yung pinaka-the best. I think if you really want to uh, mas mapabilis yung process sa idea to getting started and actually opening your shop is talk to someone that has actually done it. And thankful tayo kasi merong social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So ito yung tip ko sa inyo. After watching this video, If you're serious and you really want to get it done, get started, opening store mo bukas, next week, or next month, go to Facebook, guys. Ito. Search nyo yung mga Facebook groups. Just look for laundry. Laundry Philippines. Yan. Most of the members just sa Facebook group na yan are yung nag-ooperate na talaga mga more than a year, more than 5 years, you name it. And ang maganda sa group na to, sa mga Facebook group na to, napansin ko, uh, marami nang tatanong even if they have run their businesses for a number of years. And pinakamaganda naman nakita ko rin is marami ring open to share their knowledge, their experience. Kumbaga kasi almost the same na lang din yung mga na-encounter ng tao dyan na challenges, di ba, or learnings. And yung mga members, they themselves share it to other people. So, kung ikaw bago ka sa group na yan or meron ka talagang question na gustong masagot, feel free, try mong mag-search sa isang FB group. Basahin mo siguro yung mga dating post sa FB group na yan. Makikita mo ano ba yung mga, siguro yung mga pinaka-basic na question. Siguro sa una, may ka baka isip mo, no? Parang napakasimple yata ng tanong ko, no? Baka naman. Pero magugulat ka talaga kasi open talaga yung mga tao. Kunyari, sir, ano ba yung plastic na ginagamit dyan sa laundry? 'Di ba? Saan ba tayo makakahanap ng ganyang klaseng plastic for my laundry business? Meron din dyan if you're interested na instead of using plastic, kung may extra kang budget, laundry bags. So, it comes in different sizes. So, mapapansin mo rin people ask these questions even if they've been in the industry for so long. Kasi nagbabago naman talaga, nag-update din yung technology, nag-update yung mga designs ng laundry bag. And most important, yung presyo. Paiba-iba yung presyo depending na rin din sa number of bags that you will try to avail. Pero that's really nice to have, no? Mas napapadali yung process for anybody who wants to start their own business right now. Kasi kahit anong question na maisip mo talaga, just try to keep it very focused then and very simple muna. And also professional, no? Kasi people will take you seriously also if you're trying to ask question. So, magkano ba yung budget? Yan yung mga favorite na tanong talaga eh. Sir, ma'am, magkano po yung capital na dapat kong i-allocate or itabi para makapag-start talaga ako ng isang laundry business ko. And matutuwa ka rin talaga sa mga responses ng mga members sa mga FB group na yan. Just take your time, take advantage of that resource. No? Napakagandang resource niya kasi it's coming from people who have actual experience of what you're trying to achieve. No? Ano pa ba? Siyempre, yung mga hot questions dyan, yung favorite eh. Sir, ano ba yung the best machine na dapat kong bilhin para sa pag-setup ng laundry business ko? So, siyempre, hindi natin maiwasan, no? Meron talagang may mga nagpo-promote ng brands nila, may mga sales agent din. And that's good also. Kasi matutulungan ka rin din nila, di ba? Kasi medyo may bias sila. Siyempre, yan yung brand nila. Pero they're helping you get the best deal also. So, try to communicate with them. Pag-usapan niya talaga, bakit ito yung maganda? Ito ba yung may warranty ba to? And paano ba yung after sales service nyo? And sa grupo, halos lahat na yata ng brands ng mga machine na maisip mo ay nagamit na yun ng ibang members. So, pag nagtanong ka, they can actually share kung ano ba yung mga naging experience. Ito ba yung brand na medyo sirain? Ito ba yung brand na mahirap makahanap ng spare parts. Ito ba yung brand na mas mataas yung konsumo ng electric, ng gas, or ng tubig? Or ito ba yung brand na talagang pangmatagalan? Okay yung puhunan dito, bawing-bawi, ilang taon na. ah, Hanggang ngayon is still running in good condition. And ano ba yung mga brands na nagbibigay ng mga magandang payment terms? So yan, anything under the sun din talaga, anything and everything about the laundry business, you can ask, you know. Possible din may magtatanong ka pero walang sasagot. So, huwag kang ma-offend doon. Baka kasi wala talaga silang mabigay na tamang sagot. So, here in this space sa mga FB group, I na-observe ko lang talaga. They're open, they're willing to help you, they're willing to share. And if you're really serious lang naman and uh, you're not trying to waste other people's time, na papansin mo naman yan meron tao tatanong lang or hindi naman talaga seryoso. So, if you are really thinking about doing this laundry business, so take this advantage, use the FB groups na meron sa mga here in the Philippines, siguro meron din in different countries. Pero if you're planning to set up your business here, that's one place that I could definitely recommend you to check out, be part of, and contribute, ask questions, and I hope to see you there. Alright, share nyo to guys. So, lalong-lalo na if you have a partner or a business partner or a friend that's thinking about it, malay nyo magkaroon ka pa ng instant business na kasama, kasosyo, di ba? Or your family, siyempre gusto mo talaga makasiguro, makatiyak sa gagawin yung investment and medyo malaki din talaga ang puhunan when it comes to buying your machine, setting it up, and operating it on the first few months. So, I hope meron ka ng bago natutunan ulit here in this video. And if you have other siguro mga questions din or ideas na gusto mong pag-usapan natin here sa channel about laundry business, feel free to comment below. And also, thank you guys for those who have been sharing my videos. I hope meron talaga tayo natutulungan and ma-inspire ka rin to get started. And yun lang guys. God bless.